students. So for today's video, we will be learning about Introduction to Project Management. So this subject is taken by the students taking up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration or Office Administration for third year or either be fourth year. It depends on the curriculum. So the topics that we will be learning on this PowerPoint is what is project management, the benefits of using project management, its history of the project management, and the types of project management. So now let us first discuss the background of what is a project management all about. Finding a way to plan, manage, and execute work is relevant to every team and company. And while you may not need every piece of a traditional project management system, your team could still benefit from some of the fundamental parts of project management. So from this background, as you can see, project management helps the team in a company to plan ahead of time the project that they wanted to do or the activities that they wanted to do. To manage, it may be you manage your resources in terms of people that are useful, that can be useful on creating such projects, and especially execute work that is relevant to every team and company. It means that when you manage your team, you provide them the activities that they should perform and they should create and they should fulfill, that they need to execute for the company to prosper or for the project to prosper. So that is how useful a project management is to a team or to a company, right? So first, let us discuss what is a project management. A project management helps team organize, track, and execute work within a project. So from the word organize, so it helps you organize on what are the tasks that are needed to accomplish to excuse me, what are the tasks that are needed to accomplish for the project to be delivered. And then that track, it means how many days should these activities or these activities to be accomplished, and who will execute this said activity. Alright, so that is how a project management works. And also, a project management is a collection of tasks to accomplish a specific goal. So for example, a specific goal of your team is to create or innovate a product. So you need to create a collection of tasks that you needed to accomplish. Alright, so this project management is very useful when you are to accomplish a step-by-step task, so that the bigger task, which is creating a new product for the company, is also accomplished. Okay, so these are the benefits of project management. Number one, keep work and goals organized in one place. So it is easy for you to track your work, and if those tasks or those work are being you have already accomplished the goals of those tasks that you listed, right? Next, eliminate confusion and increase efficiency. So from the word confusion is this project management or the planning of the project management eliminate confusions on what are the tasks that are not yet accomplished, because first you are to list the tasks needed to be accomplished so that a project of yours is also accomplished. Right? So, it eliminates the confusion kung ano pa ba ang mga kailangan yung gawin for you to accomplish a specific task. And then increase efficiency. It is because you know what is the first step or the first task to be accomplished for you to be able to create a new product. Alright, so for example, on creating a new product, the first step is for you to identify what are the abundant resources within your community. And the next is that you need to identify the target markets. And the next is you need to identify who are your suppliers or where are the location of these suppliers for you to be able to create the innovated product. So first is hahanapin mo kung sino ang dapat na mag-accomplish ng mga specific na task na yon. Next, improve team effectiveness. It is because you are to designate tasks to each and everyone within your team. So everyone in your team is working. Everyone knows what are the tasks to be accomplished for you to be able to produce a good and innovative and durable and effective product. Alright? Next is align communication. So a project management is very useful on aligning the communication within your team or within your company. It is because bumalik tayo sa sinasabi natin kanina na it improves the effectiveness of a team because you are assigning tasks to each and everyone within a team. So you know, as a leader, you know who are the assigned person of each of the tasks to be accomplished. So, alam mo kung sino ang ifa-follow up mo. Alam mo kung ano na ang mga trabaho ang natapos. Alam mo kung saan pa ang kailangan ng mga help ng mga team members. Okay? So, those are the benefits of project management. So, these are the history of project management. Project management developed from the convergence of several different types of engineering in the early 1990s. Okay? 1990s, I mean. 1900s, I mean. So, matagal na pong ginagamit ang project management on accomplishing specific goals, specific tasks, big goals, so big tasks. So, matagal na po siyang ginagamit because the tools and techniques that define modern project management didn't begin emerging in 1950s. So some of the tools and techniques of the project management is wala pa po sa 1950s, but still it is widely used by the companies or the teams existing in a company. Right? In 1961, the Project Management Institution was officially formed, and the organization played a large role in defining and solidifying project management over the next several decades. The PMI published the first ever guide to the project management body of knowledge in 1996, which they updated regularly. So, from that history, that is now how we are using project management and how beneficial is project management to us in a company or even to you as a student. You can also use these strategies of a project management on accomplishing your specific task within your academic activities. Okay, so these are the types of project management. So we have, let us see, we have three types of project management. So let us first discuss the first type of project management, the agile project management. Agile is a type of lean project management that is popular with product engineering and software development teams. So ginagamit po siya. Ito po si Agile Project Plan Template. So, as you can see po, in the picture, there are task names. So, there are specific tasks and who are the responsible, or there is a task name, feature type, responsible person, story point, start and finish, and duration in days, and what are the status and the comments. So, as you can see, there is a specific task which is the sprint, and who is the responsible person? Si Alex po. And then, kailan niya dapat start na i-accomplish ang task? It is September 3. And then, the task should be finished on September 13. Alright, so yan po ang dapat niyang gagawin. So within the span of 11 days, he needs to accomplish or to complete the task provided or given to him. So this agile project template is very useful on summarizing or knowing who or what are the tasks being accomplished and how many days are these tasks accomplished by the responsible person. So as you can see, meron pong nakalagay sa status na complete, in progress, overdue. Overdue dahil dapat 5 days lang po niyang ginawa, pero nag-beyond siya sa 5 days. So it is overdue. Next is approve. It is because siguro kay completed na siya and approved na siya ng mga team leader within the company. And here, another status is needs review kasi completed na siya pero kailangan pa rin siyang i-review ng mga team leader. And another one is on hold. So, may mga activities na in-on hold pa, siguro may mga kailangan pang i-accomplish before siya gagawin na task, and then some are not started. Alright, so there is also below this agile template is meron pong graph. Now this is a graph showing the duration of each of the tasks given to each of the responsible person. So this is also useful for you as a student on accomplishing specific tasks within your academic activities. Next type of project management is the waterfall model. In the waterfall model, tasks cascade down in linear approach. Once one task is completed, the next is ready, and so on. So, as example of a waterfall project management template is this one. Requirement specification, system design, design implementation, verification and test, system deployment, and software maintenance. So, as you can see, kapag po na-accomplish mo na si requirement specification, ang next nyo na pong gagawin, it is a waterfall. So, continuous po. Kung natapos mo na ang top na priority or top na task na ibinigay sa iyo, the next that you will be doing is ang susunod na task, which is the system design and so on. So that is how simple and concise and precise a waterfall project management template. All right, this is also very useful to you as a student when you are conducting research. So first is you are to create the title of your research, and then you will approve it to your panelists or to your advisors. Then you will create the chapter 1, the chapter 2, and the chapter 3, and so on. And then you are up to the final defense. So that is another example of using waterfall project management template. Lastly, the type of project management template is the PRINCE2 methodology. PRINCE2 stands for Projects in Controlled Environments. Directing a project, starting up a project, initiating a project, managing stage boundaries, controlling a stage, managing product delivery, and closing a project. So that is how a PRINCE2 methodology works. So those are the types of project management that is very useful to a company, to a team, or even to you as a student. So in conclusion with this discussion is that, in summary, project management plays a vital role in delivering successful projects, optimizing resources, mitigating risk, managing stakeholders, and improving organizational effectiveness. It is a crucial discipline that contributes to the achievement of strategic goals and drives business success. It is because project management is a simple way of you achieving specific goals or big goals. So before you are to accomplish your big goals, let us say your vision for the company, you are first to accomplish your specific goals or your step-by-step goals. So that is how a project management, or that is what project management can help a team, a company, and a students. So I hope you learned something on today's video. See you on the next discussions. Goodbye, everyone.